Hey guys, this is Sam from Ghlsaaskits, and in this channel for last few months we did not share any new videos or tips, tricks or anything to you, and I'm extremely sorry for that because I was busy to build something different for you. As you know, it's 2026 and it's era of AI content. So that is the reason we are building a new tools for you which actually can generate videos, images, audio, songs. You have the access to different AI models into one platform. Well, this is already known platform because you see a lot of different platform that actually offers the same thing that we are talking about now. But what's different in Artixo AI in this new platform? Actually, as a agency owner, like if you have the GSL agency or if you're using GoHighLevel, then the agency owner can sell the GoHighLevel account with their own pricing. Only they just need to pay $297 or $197 per month to GoHighLevel, and they can set unlimited account and they can make money, agency clients. Okay, so in this AI, you will find a lot of different tons of different platforms that actually offer content creation, like video creation, like the audio creation, song, music, or different kind of right. So what's the Artixo AI? Actually, the Artixo AI is also another platform, but what's the difference? The difference is in Artixo AI is AI version of your GSL agency. So now actually sell your own platform. Like let's say for example, if you have the GoHighLevel account and you are selling it to your clients as an agency service, or you provide to them, you building their website, landing pages, collecting leads, making automations and everything. So the Artixo AI is another version of the AI platform that actually allow you to launch your own AI platform. You can sell the same thing like you can see here in this screen. Like, okay, so now I'm just going to show you a demonstration of this Artixo AI. Okay, so influencer video. I just uploaded an AI influencer image. I selected the influencer style and realistic mode turned on, and also I added the scene topic as well as the model, what it will say. Okay, and then I set some other pin. Then once I click generate, it will generate an influencer video. That's easy it is. So now you can get the white label version of this Artixo AI and you can sell it own brand. Okay, just like you doing for GoHighLevel CRM. Okay, so this is actually the AI version of your GoHighLevel CRM. Okay, so it's not a CRM, it's a content creation platform actually that actually allow you to sell from own price. Okay, so you will get all the details when you just scroll and get the description of this video. Okay, so let me just hit the generate button. I just hit the generate button and I selected Veo 3 as my AI model. You can see here Veo 3.1 first model I selected, and the generation will start. Yeah, it's started, and then I will submit the second scene, because at the same time you can generate 3 different scene. Okay, and then you can merge all those scene and you can create a full length video right inside the same platform. Okay, so let me show you step by step. Well, let me submit the second scene. I just enter the text. Okay, the voiceover, otherwise everything else is exactly same. So let me click the generate button, and then for the last scene I'm also doing the same. So these 3 different scene will create a 24 seconds video. As you know, Veo 3 gives you 8 second maximum clips per second. So all the settings are same, I only changed the voiceover. Okay, so let me just generate the last one. So within a few minutes from now all those 3 video will come generate complete, and then we will use our merge video feature to render the full length video. Okay, so let me just wait for a few minutes to complete this generation. Okay, so all our videos generate, and you can see this is the video I just created, and now I'm going to click this merge video feature. Then here I can select all those 3 scenes that I just created. You can see all those here, and then one by one I select them. Okay, so let me select the last one, and then you can see all those 3 scenes are here. Now we can play all the video. You can see. Okay, so and after that, once everything done, we can also do some edit. We can add some background music. Let's say, for example, if I want to add background music, and I can do this like here. You can see I added the background music and let the voice sound clear. Just click minutes. Okay, all those 3 into one video. Give us a download option, and our video is ready. So this is how actually the AI works for influencer video, but it's not only for the influencer video, but you can create any video content by using the AI. We have the clean, we have clean motion control, Cadence, Veo 3.1 first model, Veo 3.1 light model, as well as some other model like as I said. And also you can your own, you can face swap, you can the inbuilt into the platform. You can also use the videos. You can create, leave a comment. If you need more information, then just comment. We will in touch. Thank you.